The diagram shows a semicircle of diameter 14 inside a rectangle. Work out the shaded area, so this grey section. Well, if this is the diameter of the circle, that means that the radius of the circle must equal half that, which is 7. You could think of the radius being up that way, for example. If we know that the radius is 7 and the diameter is 14, we now know the dimensions of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle equals base times height, which equals 14 times 7. Let's get this into the calculator. 14 times 7 equals 98. So 98 centimeters squared, because that's a area calculation and the units of measure is centimeters squared. So if we had the whole rectangle and nothing else, it would be 98 centimeters squared, okay? But we're going to take off this half a circle. So what we need to now work out is the area of the circle, and the formula for that is pi r squared, which means pi times r, and we said that the radius was 7, so we've got pi times 7 squared, which is 49. Now I'd suggest you just write this as 49 pi at this stage. You don't need to convert it into a decimal at this point. Now this is the area of a full circle. Now here we've only got a semicircle, half a circle. So the area of our semicircle is going to be 49 pi divided by 2. So where are we now? We're looking for the area of the shaded area. So we know that the whole rectangle would be 98, and we're going to take away the area of the semicircle, which is 49 pi over 2. So I'm just going to put that in my calculator as it's been written on the page here. 98 take away 49 shift pi. The pi is in yellow hiding down here. And I'm going to divide this thing by 2. And I get 21.03. Does it say what decimal places? It doesn't say what decimal place to round it to. The measurement they've given us has no decimal places, so you could answer this as either 21 centimeters squared or 21.03, but I think that's probably going a little too accurate. 21 would be the best answer.